Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I would like to show you how to download and install Grammarly in your Windows laptop. So let's begin our video. First of all, open your browser. I just opened my Chrome browser. Go to search bar and type Grammarly, and then at the first link you can find grammarly.com. Just open it. Right now scroll down, and at the in position you can find Grammarly for Windows. Select it, and after select it, then select get Grammarly. It's free. Right now you just need to sign in, so you can sign up with it with your Gmail. I select my Gmail, and here you can see it's loading. You just need to wait a couple of seconds. So guys, after open it, it's still loading, and select apps, and right now you can find Grammarly for Windows. Select install. So here you can see it's just downloading. You just need to wait couple of seconds. So here you can see it's still downloading, and it's need few seconds. Well, after completely downloaded, you just need to select show all folder. Select show in folder and double click it. And here you can see it's loading. You just need to wait. Grammarly on here, and it's completely installed. So that's it. In this way you can install Grammarly in your laptop. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.